everyone and welcome back to another episode of our Masters in Management series. In today's video, we will be discussing post-study visas, job opportunities and the salaries that you can expect after doing an MIM degree. Before we dive in, if you're looking for an introduction to MIM, including what it is, who does it, its advantages, its disadvantages, its specializations, top countries and universities, eligibility requirements, tuition fees, living expenses and the available scholarships, then make sure to check out our previous videos. The links are in the description below. So without further delays, let's get started with this video. Join us as we understand the next steps after earning your MIM degree. From securing post-study visas to finding your dream job and then understanding the salary expectations. First off, let's delve into the finance sector. MIM offers a variety of job roles in the finance sector. These roles include financial analyst, credit analyst, investment analyst, investor relations associate and treasury analyst. Finance is one of the most diverse fields where you can get jobs after a MIM. The salary in the finance sector ranges from 19 lakh to 1.6 crore. Now that we have covered the finance sector, let's move on to the consulting where MIM graduates can pursue challenging roles that involves advising top companies and enjoying impressive salary prospects. This sector includes job roles like change management consultant, business process consultant, marketing consultant, IT consultant and human capital consultant. The salary in this sector and job roles ranges from 14 lakh to 1.5 crore. The wide range of salaries in consulting reflects the diversity of job roles and the level of expertise. Having explored the rewarding careers and impressive salaries within the consulting sector, let's now turn our attention to the technology sector, known for its rapid innovation and high demand for skilled professionals. Technical support specialist, data analyst, operations analyst, product manager and project coordinator are some of the job roles that you can consider after completing your MIM degree. Due to industry's demand for specialized skills and expertise across various roles, it offers a diverse range of salaries ranging from 19 lakh to 83 lakh among different job roles. With this, let's transition from finance, consulting and technology sector to other industries where you can apply and grow your career after completing your MIM degree. These sectors include healthcare, real estate, hospitality and tourism, environment, and retail and consumer goods sector. The salary of these sector and job roles ranges from 21 lakh to 90 lakh. As we conclude our insights into the job markets and salary outlook for MIM graduates, let's now explore how post-study visas can facilitate your career aspirations in the international markets. Let's begin by exploring the UK's various post-study visa options. The UK provides three types of post-study visas. Firstly, there's the graduate route, previously known as the post-study work visa, which is valid for 2 years. Secondly, there's the skilled worker visa, initially up to 5 years and renewable, enabling the skilled workers to work in the UK under a valid sponsor license. Lastly, there's the startup visa, valid for 2 years, allowing entrepreneurial students to establish a scalable business in the UK. Next, let's discuss Germany's post-study visa options. One of the widely favored post-study visas in Germany is the job seeker visa, enabling the MIM graduates to actively seek employment opportunities within the country. This visa is valid for a period of up to 18 months. Similar to the UK, France also provides 3 types of post-study visas for international students. Number 1 is the temporary authorization to stay, which is valid for up to 24 months and is available to non-European students seeking employment opportunities. Secondly, the talent passport varies in duration based on the specific talent category applied for, aimed at attracting highly skilled individuals to France. And the last is the French tech visa that targets startup founders, investors, and the talented individuals in the tech industry with the duration determined by individual circumstances. After France, let's shift our focus to Australia, which is known for its safe and welcoming environment, offering students a high quality of life. Australia provides 2 visa options for international students. First is the temporary graduate visa, which allows recent graduates to temporarily live, work and study in Australia. The duration of this visa varies based on the work stream. Up to 18 months for the graduate work stream and 2 to 4 years for the post-study work stream. Following this, there are employer-sponsored visas where the duration depends on the specific visa subclass and employer sponsorship. Moving on further, let's explore another popular destination for MIM graduates seeking diverse career opportunities and excellent post-study visa pathways, that is Canada. Canada offers the post-graduation work permit as its post-study visa option. The duration of this visa corresponds to the length of the program completed. For programs lasting from 8 months to 2 years, the PGWP is issued for the same duration. For programs longer than 2 years, the PGWP is issued for the period of 3 years. Moving on to another country, that is Singapore. Singapore is a popular destination for students offering 2 types of post-study visas. Number 1 is the Graduate Employment Pass that is available for graduates who have completed their studies within the last 6 months. It allows them to remain in Singapore for up to 1 year to actively seek employment. And the next is Personalized Employment Pass, which permits individuals to stay in Singapore for up to 3 years and enables job changes without the need for reapplying for a new pass. Transitioning from Singapore's visa option, let's discuss Ireland's attractive post-study visa options for MIM graduates. Ireland provides 3 types of visas for MIM graduates. First is the Stamp 1G visa that allows graduates to pursue employment for up to 36 months. Second is the Stamp 2 visa that permits graduates to work for a period of up to 24 months. And the last is the Stamp 1 Employment Permit visa that is designed for graduates who secure job offers from Irish employers. Having explored Ireland's post-study visa options for MIM graduates, let's now turn our attention to the United States. In the USA, international student on an F1 visa can apply for an optional practical training visa. The OPT visa enables students to acquire practical work experience in their field of study for a period ranging from 1 to 3 years. Now let's move on to our next destination, that is rest of Europe, including countries like Italy, Spain and Netherlands. Italian Elective Residence Visa. This visa allows living in Italy without needing a job or investment. Work Visa. If you find employment in Italy, then your employer may sponsor you for a work visa. Startup Visa. Italy offers a startup visa for entrepreneurs launching innovative projects. Coming to Spain, Spain offers 2 types of post-study visa options for MIM graduates. Spanish Residence Permit for job search. This permit allows graduates to stay in Spain for up to 1 year to find employment. Work Visa. If employed in Spain, then your employer can sponsor your work visa. And our very last destination is Netherlands, which also offers 3 types of post-study visa options. Orientation Year Visa that allows graduates to stay in Netherlands for up to 1 year to find a job or start a business. Highly Skilled Migrant Visa. Your employer can sponsor a highly skilled migrant visa for skilled workers. Startup Visa. The Netherlands offers a startup visa program for entrepreneurs who wish to start their business in the country. And that wraps up our MIM series. I hope you now have a deep and clear understanding of post-MIM visa options, job prospects and global salary potential. If you have any questions about today's video, then don't hesitate to leave a comment below, or you can book a free counseling session with one of our experts at Admitex. The link is in the description below. We'll try our best to resolve all your queries. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comment section below what job you are planning to pursue after your MIM degree.